Sautéed vegetables. For this sauté we need zucchini, carrot, cherry tomatoes, paprika, chili, onion, garlic, green beans, red pesto, tomate pasta, Tabasco, olive oil, cut onion, chop garlic, cut the carrots on small cubes. Cut zucchini. Chili. Tomatoes on half. And paprika on slices. Put the pan to the fire and add olive oil. Fry onion, add garlic, fry a minute. Add carrot, paprika, chili, fry a minute. Add zucchini, tomatoes, and green beans. Mix well. Let's make the sauce. Mix the tomato paste with water. Add a bit Tabasco. Pesto. And mix well. Put the sauce to the dish. Hash well. Switch off the fire and close the lid. Wait 5 minutes. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!